What's up, y'all? Happy Friday to you. Another day in the market. Made it another week. Still some buys out here. Some monthly dividend cash flow going on, man. Giving ourselves a raise, which is all good. One thing about these dividends now, when you get these payouts, you can either um reinvest them, buying more dividend stocks, at a price that is below your average cost. I wouldn't suggest buying above. You always want to try to lower your average cost. Like the market said, you buy low and sell high. But with these, we are not selling unless something drastic happen with the company. Or you can put into a good growth ETF like VOO. That is the Vanguard version of the S&P 500. Got some other stuff like SCHD. You got VTI, which is the total stock market. You got another one I like, DHS, which is a high dividend yielding ETF. Um, Another one is VYM. That's another Vanguard, and you got one called HDV. HDV. Those are some of the ones that I like. They just never go down. Just buy them and just buy it and leave it alone. um, as y'all heard, or if you don't know, I'm about to tell you. Well, you would know now. SCHD is doing just did a stock split, three to one. I think I do have SCHD in this portfolio. Let me see what you got. 3 shares for one. Nope, I got it in my other one. I think I sold it in this one. I got it in my other one. But as you can see, it is at $28.48 because they did a 3-4-1 split. The reason for doing the split is to make it cheaper, so more investors can afford it. At the time of the split, I think it was like $85, but it ended up coming on down. Um, so right now it's at $28.46. Not a bad price to get in. A dollar called average on in. I'm gonna probably buy $5 a day, or do $25 a week. Do a weekly. I'm gonna probably just do $5 a day in it. And let it ride on up. Got a dividend yield of 3.61%. Being that they split it, it's at its high now. You can see the 52-week high of 28.52 is at 28.46, so it's still selling at a 52-week high. 52-week low is $22.22 because they did the split. So um that's another one I'm probably going to do. So just letting y'all know that. But y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch some recent videos, share my channel. Also got news on Tesla. They were supposed to come out with the robo taxis, and they disappointed with it. So that's the reason the Tesla stock is going down, and that's the reason the Yield Max ETF I like buying TSLY is also down. It got down $11.07 today with the bad news, but it did bounce back. I'm about to show you TSLY. This cover calls on Tesla. For the month of October, paid $1.09 a share. It bounced down to 11.07 and came back to 11.30. So this is a good time to get on in. And we about to start going to get your pen and paper, and we about to get going to give ourselves a raise now. Going in TSLY. I'm gonna buy one share every day. And these 11.07. You need to get your first 100 shares of Tesla. Actually, you can buy more at 11.07. I'm just do one here. I already got my 100 shares, as you can see. I'm gonna buy some in my Charles Schwab portfolio because I need to get my 100 shares in there, and I'm gonna leave it alone for a second. Just watch it and reinvest the dividends. All right, another yield max. We're going with KLIP. China crane shares clip, $12.16. We're gonna go in that. I think I had a buy at $12.10 that it did trigger. In a pre-market today, it triggered at 5:08 a.m. I brought 12 shares at I brought 10 shares at $12. So that's why I say it's important to set your buy limits whenever you sleep or working and not watching your brokerage will automatically fill it for you. So you go in there. It went down to 12, but you can go in at between 12 and 12.16. You could do one at 12.16, one at 12.10, and one at 12 even. But I brought some at 12 $12 today. All right, that TSLY and clip. Now we're gonna go to ticker. We're gonna go to HRZN, Horizon Technology. That one's also down today. Went down to 1048. I also brought some of that today. It did trigger. I'm gonna go put another buy order in. But being that it already triggered, I'm just do $5 right here on the spot for y'all, invest with y'all. But I did buy 10 shares today. It triggered for 10 shares for the past order I had put in. I brought 10 shares today, as you can see, at $10.48. So not a bad buy to bring down the average cost. Right now I got 249 shares at $11.57. As y'all know, this does have a 52-week high of $13.73. This should reach the $13 mark easy. So you can set it up for a swing trade and trade it later if that's what you choose to do. Or hold on to it just for that juicy dividend. It does pay 11 cents a share a month. Another monthly one, going to ORC. Still in our buy range at $8 and under. It got down to $7.81 today. Sorry if y'all see some notifications coming up. I'm trading on my phone, man. I'm out of town. I end up leaving my tablet home. Get 3 shares at $7.81. Lower my average cost. Take advantage of this. Just pay a dividend of 12 cents a share a month. This would benefit once they start cutting them interest rates a little more. Another yield max ETF is ULTY. I want to get my 100 shares. This was at 1034 today. I'm going to get a share every day around about the 1040 and under mark. I'm going to show you what this paid out in the dividend. This is another high yielder. Show you why. I want to get my 100 shares and I'm going to let it ride on out. I want to get enough to where I can spend $3 to $5 a day on a fractional share and let it pay for itself. This is the payment I got for September, the last payment. 61.9 shares, paid 99 cents a share. So I want to get 100 shares. So if they give me $1 a share, that'd be $100. Probably want to get about 125 shares. And that should be cool. 125 to 150. And I'm gonna let it ride on out. Just reinvest the dividends. Another one we're going with is USOI. This one is down for the day. This paid a dividend of $10 and not $2 and like 21 cents or something. Today, that's USOI. Now we're gonna go with TCPC. And all these stocks I'm buying, you can just buy like $2 worth a day now. You don't have to do like me now. Just got down to 8.15 a day. I'm gonna lower my average calls down to this while it's cheap. Got a 52-week high, $12.43. So that is major upside. So that's why I'm buying it now. ARI, $8.56. We're going in that. It's at $8.57. Get $10 worth at $8.57. One thing about dividends, you got to put the money in it to get it out. That is that. Now we're gonna go to some growth stocks. We're gonna go to Charge Points, CHPT. And we're down to 129 today. I like it at the 140 and under. You should easily go past the $140 and under. You can swing trade it and rinse and repeat. I think I'm gonna hold buying around about 143. Everything I buy, and I'm gonna sell it and rinse and repeat. Cause it seems like people are trading Charge Point rather than investing in it. So I'm gonna do it long as it's low to lower my average cost. But it's also something you might want to hold for the long term. Have a couple shares. All right, we're gonna go to CARB, Carver State Bank. This got down to 146. I like it at 160 and under. I'll get 25 shares at 146. No, I'm gonna get 50. Cause buying at 146, you could have sold it today at 160. We got up to 166 today. See, I know all these stocks I trade. I know the patterns of them. That's how I'm real surgical how I get in and get out of them. All right, I'm gonna give you two more growth stocks. These ones I have in my Cash App portfolio. This is Dollar General. $81.90 it got down to at $81.97. So this is a good price for you to go throw your little $3, $5 at it. I got it in my other portfolio that I brought some today. And another one is Boeing. If you want to get into this, you know, they make the jets, the Gulfstream jets and all that dealing with the planes. They got down to 146.30. So I'm going to put a buy order in at that price there also. Now let's go check out traps. They seem to be a bullish day, so probably not going to be a whole lot more, nothing extra. Oh, another one we forgot about, PSEC. I don't know how I forgot that off, the list. Got the day's lows at $5.10. This will easily go back past the 530 mark. So that can be a trade for you. I will load up. If it hit $5, I'll probably go buy 50 shares. All right, that's PSEC. Let's look at OXSQ. This should be around the $3. Nope, $2.92. Which ain't still a bad price to end up buying some. I like it at $2.80 and under though. All right. Also, if y'all wanted to accumulate some Tesla for y'all long-term holders that think it's gonna go to the $300 mark, this ain't a bad price to end up buying some. I probably might buy another $20 worth, especially if it hit between the 225. I think it's at $220 now. I'll check at the end of the video. You want to get on through this here. Nike also coming on down. I'm gonna let it get around at least 78 bucks before I start nibbling at it. So I need to lower my average calls. I'm hoping to get down about $73. And I can load up a little bit on it. Now I get to the end. We at the yield max section. So I know my portfolio when I get here. See, I'm gonna do $1 a day in these the round hills. But I can always set. I'm gonna set it up to be so it can do it do a recurring payment on it. So I don't have to watch it. But anyway, man, hold on. Let's knock out Tesla. TSLY, TSLA. Tesla at $2.24, down 7% today. So this a pullback. Don't load up, but if you want to add on just a couple, not a bad thing to do. So that's it, man. That's all I'm doing for today. Make sure y'all watch my recent videos and stuff. Enjoy your weekend. Spend time with your loved ones, family, but also spend some personal time with yourself. That's about it, man. Market closed on Monday. What is Columbus Day or Veteran Columbus Day? So I'm out of town in San Diego, out here chilling. So I'm taking my little, not a vacation, because I'm gonna be working online too, but get out at night and just see what's happening. Looking for a second home, man, between the DR, Panama, and Costa Rica. Panama is the only country I haven't been at yet. Gonna go this year. But we gonna see, man. But y'all hold it down. Signing off. Go get your money.